before, after. Here's the OEM U-Boat setup. I'm gonna measure from the floor to the bracket because the aftermarket U-Boats, I can cut this, so that's not as important. It's 12¼ inches, so 1 foot, 1/4 inch. And it's about the same to this side. My truck is safely on jack stands. I'm gonna remove the U-Boat setup. Instead of running an aftermarket bump stop, I'm going to reuse my factory bump stop. This is the UBolt Flip Kit I picked up from Wheeler's Off-Road. It was about 90 bucks shipped, and because I'm going to reuse my OEM bump stop, I saved about 150 bucks. So all I have to do is drill 2 small holes here and bolt it up like that. So I just got to make sure that the hole down here for the stud for the leaf spring lines up. Then mark my hole here and here. Stock bump stop has been drilled out. Now it lines up to this kit. And I bought a matching bolt and lock washers from the local hardware store. Make sure you find the thread that matches that setup. And in my case, it's 3/8 by 16. The important thing is that it doesn't bottom out here, which it doesn't. I notched this just a little bit, just so the washer will clear easier. Clears the washer. Plate goes like this. Now install the top hardware. Alright, here it is installed. The washers clear the OEM bump stop, which is nice. And now all I have to do is trim these bolts. This side is done. Now I just have to do the other side. Alright guys, everything done. The instruction says to torque this down to 90 foot-pounds and double check the torque after driving 50 miles and double check the torque again after driving 500 miles. From the floor to the U-Boat bracket is 13.5 inches. The before measurement was 12 inches and a quarter, so I gained 1.25 inches of additional clearance. The installation is pretty simple to do, and the additional clearance will help when I'm off-roading. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.